Hi guys, it's Beth. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm excited to be able to share with you the March 2021 Sheetload of Cards sketch provided by Call Me Crafty Owl. So the Sheetload, it's a sketch, a supply list, and a cut list that Alicia over at Call Me Crafty Owl puts together for us each month. It's just a fun way to make a large batch of cards quickly. She does all of the work for us. All we have to do is provide the paper and the time and any other supplies. So if you would like to know how to get the March 2021 Sheetload, I have Alicia's video linked below where she gives you more information about the Sheetload and tells you how you can become a subscriber and download this for yourself. And there are other collaborators that are sharing their Sheetloads inspiration today as well, and their links will also be listed in the description box. So again, this was the March Sheetload. Again, the sketch, the supply list, and then all of the cuts that you need to make. And this month it's for 12 cards. So I chose to use the Celebrate Easter collection from Echo Park and Lori Whitlock. And I made 12 Easter cards. So she has you choose 2 pieces of pattern paper and then you cut them in a couple different ways. And so I ended up with 2 different versions. One where I have the little Easter images on top and the floral print on the bottom, and then the other version is with the floral print on top and then the Easter images on the bottom. This Happy Easter sentiment I actually printed out from my silhouette because I didn't have anything that would be any stamps that would be great for a big circle element. So I did end up printing that from my silhouette, and then I have a scalloped die behind my sentiment here. So that is a slight variation from the sketch, and then I ended up with a thinner scalloped piece here. I used a border punch, which kind of made my end strip a little bit thinner than what the sketch calls for as well. And then rather than put an image, since I felt like there was already enough image going on in the patterns, instead of having, she's got the leaf here, which would just be some other decorative element, I just went with some cardstock punch circles for a couple different reasons. It helped me use up the last bit of paper that was left over from die cutting my scallop circles. And then I felt like a solid, brighter color would stand out rather than, I thought about using some of the stickers from the collection, but I was afraid it would just be too busy, too much going on. So this is how my current cards turned out, and then I did use some of the leftover strips that I had left on the insides of my cards. So again, 2 different versions for a total of 12 cards this month. So I think this is one of the larger Sheetloads that she's had. I just did it in an assembly line fashion and got them all put together fairly quickly. So this was a very fun Sheetload. Thank you for another wonderful sketch, Alicia. Again, check out the description boxes below for the other participants in the collaboration, their inspiration, and to find out more from Alicia on how you can get your own copy of the March 2021 Sheetload of cards. But thank you guys so much for your time today, and I hope you're all having a crafty day.